Welcome back, my dear children. This is also a continuation of the same chapter, computer memory. So far we discussed about what is a computer memory, how the processing happens, what is the uses of primary memory, what is the classifications of primary memory, what are the secondary memory, what are the examples of secondary memory, like that we had discussed earlier. In this module, we are going to discuss about how data are deleted from RAM. Data once stored in a RAM are not removed but are replaced with a new one or become inaccessible due to their label or the addresses are detached from the current program. That is, once a data is written in a program, that cannot be removed before the completion of processing. After the completion of processing, the data can be removed. Then ROM. Deletion depends upon the ROM type that we already discussed. ROM having many types like masked ROM, programmable, erasable, electrically erasable ROM. We are having many things. If you are having any doubt, please read the previous slides. Then, how the data is deleted from a magnetic tape. If the tape technology uses magnetic servo tracks, they also will be destroyed and the tape will be rendered useless. Note, however, that discarding has to be performed properly. The tapes need to be exposed to a strong enough magnetic field for the correct amount of time to completely destroy the data. That is the magnetic tape. So we need the help of electrical and magnetical field for destroying the data. How the data can be deleted from a hard disk? When we format a hard disk or delete a partition, we are only deleting the file system, making the data invisible or no longer actively indexed, but not gone. That is, if you are deleting any file from your hard disk, please note down the point. We are only the deleting file system, making the data invisible. Actually, it is not exactly deleted. No longer actively indexed. That's all. But not gone. So, whatever the files you are storing in your local disk C, D, E, F, won't be deleted permanently. You can make it invisible. That's all. Then CD and DVD through crystal rearrangement using a laser technology or using an ultraviolet light signal, etc. Then how to remove data from pen drive. The electrons in the cells of a flash memory chip can be returned to normal by the application of an electric field, a higher voltage charge. Flash memory uses in-circuit wiring to apply the electric field either to entire chip or to predetermined sections known as blocks. These erases the targeted area of a chip, which can then be rewritten. That is, while you are giving a format option for pen drive, what is actually happening? It uses a circuit for wiring to apply the electric field either to the chip or to the predetermined sections, or we can format a particular block also. Like that only the pen drive's data can be deleted permanently. How the data can be recovered from? We can't. That is, in practice, we can't recover any data from RAM that we deleted. RAM needs to be constantly refreshed to keep remembering. When the computer is turned off, the charge leaks out after a minute or so. Freeze the chip, pop into another computer and run the Linux command dd to copy the raw data to disk. After we have the raw data, copy it to a new partition using dd again and run an undeleted program on the partition. Undelete should pull out any files that fall under a recognizable format, ex pictures, etc. The rest could be further processed, but not easily unless we know what you are looking for. Actually, the RAM recovery is very difficult. It is having many procedures to be fulfilled to recover the data from RAM. I think we had discussed all the topics, that is how to remove or delete data from memories, RAM, ROM, hard disk, pen drive, etc. And also we discussed how to recover the data from RAM. Thank you.